Hi, thanks for coming to this channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. In today's video, I'm going to be making a ranch chicken burger and some spicy sweet potato fries in the power air fry oven. So stay tuned. We appreciate you watching this video. If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. You can also visit us on our website or look for us on social networks. Now let's get into the video. Hey, thanks for coming back. I've got about 8 ounces of ground chicken, lean ground chicken. We're going to add some basic ranch dressing mix, just ones you get in the stores in the pouches. So I'm not going to use all of it. I'm just going to use about half. Pour that in there. Okay. Use that for the next burger. This is going to make one burger. I like to make it a little bit thicker, a little bit beefier. Just going to add a little bit more of a rice flour to it, just to thicken it up, because it is kind of damp and wet, the chicken. So I want to make sure it's not so wet that it sticks to my hands. Mix that in. And then you just want to get all the seasoning incorporated. Okay, so now I've got a neat little trick that I'm going to show you how to actually form the burger. You can make it into a big meatball and flatten it out. But I'm using 2 of these Ziploc lids that I'm just going to make the burger that size here. So first, what I want to do is I want to spray the covers with a little bit of oil or non-stick spray. So I'm using a spoon, put it in there. This is going to be a thick burger. And you take the other top. There's a little bit of a ridge here. Take the other top and just press it down. Okay. Press it down. Okay. And it comes out. Oh. Nice patty. Now I'm going to grab the grid, spray the grid a little bit, put this in the power air fry oven, and I'll see you when we get there. Take the sweet potato that's been washed and cleaned and skinned. We're going to slice it into planks about a ½ inch in thickness. And you want to make sure you use equal strips here so it helps the cooking process. They all cook evenly. And then we'll get ready to season them. I'm going to season up the sweet potato fries. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. Okay. Get a little bit of salt, some pepper, black pepper, and add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and to make them spicy I'm using some cayenne pepper, just a pinch, not too much. Okay, let's move that out of the way here. And we're just going to close this up, give it a shake. I want to make sure that they're well coated. Okay, open that up. We don't have to spray the grid for this because they're already oily, so bring them across here. You want to make sure you have one layer and try to space them out as much as you can, just so you can have airflow between the racks. We're gonna cook this with the burger, so I put it all in there together. And we're gonna take the patty, slide it to the second from the top. Okay, we're gonna put these in here, and we're gonna run this for 20 minutes, the burger and the fries together on the chicken setting, 370, and we're gonna go 20 minutes. After about 10 minutes, we're going to swap. We're gonna swap the fries to the top and the burger to the bottom. So I'll see you when these are done. Now for the cheese on this cheeseburger, we're gonna be using this cheese right here. This is a Dubliner. It's a milk from grass-fed cows. It's Kerry Gold is called. I found this at Costco, but this cheese you can find anywhere else. I'm gonna take a couple of small slices of this, throw it on top of the burger when it's done. In the last minute of cooking, I put the cheese on top of the burger and continue the cooking process until the cheese is melted. While the burger cools, I decided to toast up the bun a little bit, about 400 degrees for about a minute. I also sliced up a tomato and set my presentation plate. Okay, now the burger is done. It reached 165 degrees. I tested it with the thermometer. The fries are also done. In the meantime, I also toasted up a bun. I sprayed it with some olive oil and put it in the air fry oven for about 2 minutes just to toast it up. So now we're gonna put this together. We're gonna assemble this. I've got my plate here. Okay. I'm gonna take the top part of the bun and we're gonna put some ranch dressing over the top. Okay. And I'm gonna add some tomatoes that I sliced. I'm gonna take this burger off here. Okay, get the burger, put some lettuce, some tomatoes. Okay, here's your burger. Okay, and the fries, we're just gonna lay right across the side here. Okay, and I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt. Okay. And there you have it. There's your ranch chicken burger with spicy sweet potato fries. And we're gonna take a bite out of it. That's real good. Bread's nice and crispy. Nice fresh tomato on top. The chicken's got a nice flavor, nice ranch flavor to it. That's really good. Now let's try these fries. Not as crispy as I would like, but not bad. It's good. This is your ranch chicken burger. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And share it if you like it. So I'll see you in the next video.